My dear patients and my friends, this is the new Alcon Unity system, and this is today the best phaco machine in the world. There is no comparison. Earlier, we had a piece of equipment called the Alcon Centurion, and that was the best phaco machine in the world. So why is it that Alcon produces one winner after the other like this, and why is it that we are the first to buy it? I will tell you. Earlier, phaco emulsification relied on a tip moving forwards and back in a jackhammer action. Because of this, when cataract pieces came to the tip, they were cut by the jackhammer action, just like you see a person drilling the road with a drill. However, some of the pieces get pushed away. So Alcon developed a system called torsional phaco, where the tip would turn like this. So naturally, when the tip turns like this, it can still cut a piece of cataract. However, it will not push it away. So something improved called followability, which means in technical terms, we use less energy to remove the same amount of cataract. Because we use less energy in the eye to remove the same amount of cataract, the eye recovers faster. It's as simple as that. Now, Alcon has come out with a new technology called 4D. And we can see this on the screen here. This is called 4D phaco. And what does this mean? Now, instead of being two-dimensional and only rotating, the tip will also move in 4 dimensions, X, Y, and Z axis, and in a certain pattern. This pattern is optimized in order to cut the cataract up with much less energy. I just did a really old lady's cataract, and auntie here was about 90 years old and had been waiting 15 years to be operated. Typically, the amount of energy that we put into the eye is indicated by a metric here called CDE. And you can see for her, we have used 4.69 units of energy. In the earlier systems, it would be as high as 16 to 18. What does this mean for her and for recovery? It means that she will recover 3 to 4 times faster. This is a great advantage with older patients who otherwise had a prolonged recovery after a very, very hard cataract. Of course, it doesn't mean that you can just buy the machines and start operating everyone. You have to be trained to use this new technology, which we are. We are very happy to say that we are the first in Mumbai and first in Maharashtra to use this system. Before I bought this technology, I spoke to world leaders abroad, in Germany, and even in Bangalore, where they were using the machine already since 2 months. They all told me, Cyrus, just go for it. This is the world's best technology, and that's why we have bought this system and we are using it today. Today, when you buy a small compact car from some local manufacturer and you are very happy with the performance and you drive it and everyone's happy with it, it gives good fuel efficiency, it's reliable. Next day, you sit in your friend's S-Class Mercedes and then you know where the money has been spent. That's what happens when you use a very high-end system like this versus an average system. The surgery is much smoother. And because the surgery is much smoother, we use less energy, it's much safer. It's safer to the eye, it's less stress on the surgeon, patient is happy, everyone is happy. Vision recovers very fast. This is the difference between buying a top-end phaco machine like this and an average phaco machine. All our cataract surgery is done coupled with femtosecond laser. So first, the person is lasered on our Catalyst laser system. The laser system makes the openings into the eye. The laser system pre-fragments the cataract. But we still need step 2, which is a phaco machine like this, to remove the pieces from the eye. And that's where this new technology called 4D phaco really shines. There's one more standout feature of this machine which nobody else has, like 4D phaco, and that is called thermal sentry. Normally, when we use more power in the eye to remove hard pieces of cataract, the wound or the tunnel into the eye can get burnt. Here, the machine has an automatic thermal sensor, and when it senses that the temperature of the tip is rising, it modulates or reduces the power automatically. This is called thermal sentry, and this is the first of its kind as well. It's because of these standout safety features that we bought this system. There was a very famous science fiction author whose books I used to read. His name was Arthur C. Clarke. And Arthur one day came out with a groundbreaking statement. He said, sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. If you showed this machine 30 years ago to an eye surgeon who was struggling with the start of this technology and with the really low-end and old technology machines, he would think that this was magical. And that's what we feel when we use this machine system today, because people like me have seen the early days of phaco systems in the late 90s, where there was no real good thermal protection. We had to use huge amount of energy in the eye. Patients took a long time to recover. So compared to that, this is magical.